Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you our new project, a URL shortener platform where you can easily shorten long URLs and track their performance. So, this is the landing page of our platform, where everything starts. This is the user authentication system, where users can easily log in or create a new account to get started. Now, without wasting any time, let's quickly log into our account. This is our dashboard page, where you get a quick overview through the widgets at the top. As you can see, everything is clearly organized here. Moving down, you'll find your top-performing links, giving you insights into what's working best. And right below that, you can see your recently created links. On this page, you can see a list of all your links, organized by their type and status. You also get a search filter, which helps you quickly find any link. When you click on Analytics, you can view the complete analytics of that link. The platform automatically checks whether your destination URL is accessible or not, and shows its status so you can disable or remove broken links. On this page, you get detailed analytics for your link, including traffic sources and referrers, helping you understand where your users are coming from. You can also view interactive charts, device and browser breakdown, and your recent clicks. On this page, you get a quick summary of your link, along with a QR code that you can easily share. And when someone scans it, they are directly redirected to the destination link. Here, you can easily update your link details, along with other settings. As you can see, this is a scheduled link. When you share its URL, users will see that the link is not live yet and is scheduled for a specific time. It also shows a live countdown, along with the start and expiry details of the link. Once the scheduled time is reached, the link becomes active and starts redirecting users to the destination URL. Unlike scheduled links, if the link type is standard, it becomes active instantly and redirects users directly to the destination link. So, let's create a new short URL and see how it works. Let's quickly copy a video link and create a short URL to see how it works. Here, you can define a custom name for your link, also referred to as a URL slug. Here, for example, we can set the song name as the slug for the URL. When we click on Check Availability, it shows whether our custom URL slug is available or not. Now, we need to set the link type. If we choose the standard option, the link works instantly and redirects users directly to the destination URL. If we choose the temporary option, we need to set an expiry time, and the link will only be accessible until that time. After that, it will expire. If we choose the scheduled option, the link will only be accessible between the scheduled start and expiry time. If we choose the one-time option, the user can access the link only once. However, the admin can allow more access later if needed. Here, you can also add custom UTM parameters to your link, or simply use predefined templates if needed. Here, users can add an extra layer of security by setting a PIN. Once enabled, users must verify the PIN before they can access the destination link. Here, you can see that the system has automatically checked whether the destination link is accessible or not. Now, let's copy the generated short URL and see how it works. As you can see, this link is protected with a PIN. So first, we need to verify the PIN, and only then, we can access the destination link. Here, when you click on the Favorite option, the link gets marked as a favorite. You can also pin it to the top for quick access. So, that's it for this project. I hope you really like this URL shortener platform and how it works. As you saw, it comes with multiple useful features like analytics, custom slugs, QR codes, and different link types, making it a complete and powerful solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know your thoughts or suggestions in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.